Between 2002 and 2015, Volvo used a pretty complicated and unique traction control system called DSTC, or Dynamic Stability and Traction Control. And the DSTC Service Required error message is pretty common for those model years. While in most cases it's connected with the expensive yaw rate sensor, there are other culprits that you want to check first. The system uses ABS sensors in each wheel, steering angle sensor located in the steering column, and also yaw rate sensor. Each one has a set of dedicated codes, but to read those codes you will need a good Volvo compatible scanner, not just a cheap code reader, and it's totally worth it to pay for a good inspection before you replace any part. If it's the ABS system, you will also get the ABS light, so it's pretty easy. But if it's a connection problem or some anomalies with brakes, you will get a bunch of codes pointing to different modules. So what should you do? If the DSTC Service Required is the only warning and there are no other lights, I would try turning the car off, waiting for some time, and then turning it on, and then driving for about 5-6 miles. Be careful, since the traction control will not be working properly. If the problem doesn't disappear, well, it would be nice to look at the connection of the yaw rate sensor. It's located under the passenger seat behind a protective cover, and it's very often affected by water. So the sensor itself may be okay, but the connection may get corroded. If you eventually need to replace that sensor, buying a used one is a gamble that you will most likely lose, since the majority of junkyard sensors are corroded and won't work properly. The new one may cost 600 to 1000 euros or dollars depending on your location and also on the model year. Also, you will need to program the new yaw rate sensor with the VIDA software in a good repair shop or in the dealership. You may try driving without additional calibration and the sensor may end up working properly, but this is a 1 in 100 chance.